As you know, Excel is a spreadsheet, and the reason we call it a spreadsheet is because we have a very large number of cells in Microsoft Excel. To see the number of rows and columns in Microsoft Excel, you can uh, use these shortcut keys to reach the end of your spreadsheet. You can press Ctrl and press right button on your keyboard to see the last uh, column in Microsoft Excel, and press Ctrl and button to see the last row in Excel. You can see this number, and this column is the last cell in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet.